Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel, and today we're exploring a topic that feels bigger than just health. We're talking about longevity, how to live longer, healthier, and genuinely happier. Not just adding years to your life, but life to your years. Because what's the point of living to 90 if you're not enjoying it, right? In today's episode, I'll share not just research-backed habits that promote longevity, but also personal stories and mindset shifts I've learned along the way from people who've lived vibrant lives into their 80s, 90s, and beyond. Let's start by asking, why does longevity even matter? In 2025, people are living longer than ever, thanks to medical advancements. But here's the catch. More years doesn't always mean better years. A lot of folks spend the last decade of life struggling with chronic diseases, mobility issues, or cognitive decline. That's not the future most of us want. I first really thought about this when my grandfather turned 90. He was sharp, still walking every morning, still cracking jokes, and when I asked him his secret, he said something simple. Keep moving, keep laughing, keep learning. That stuck with me. Because longevity isn't just about avoiding death. It's about quality of life. In today's hyper-connected, fast-paced world, we face new challenges to longevity. Processed food, sedentary lifestyles, chronic stress. These things chip away at health long before we notice symptoms. That's why building longevity habits matters now, not when we're 70, but starting today. Habit 1, daily movement. This doesn't mean hardcore gym sessions. It means consistent, gentle movement, walking, stretching, yoga, dancing. In places called blue zones, regions with the highest number of centenarians, daily, natural movement is key. They don't have step trackers. They just move as part of life. Habit 2, eat for energy, not entertainment. This one hit me hard because I used to eat for stress relief, for fun, for boredom. But the core longevity diet pattern is simple. Lots of plants, moderate healthy fats, minimal processed foods. Think Mediterranean diet, olive oil, nuts, veggies, fish, not super restrictive, but mindful. Habit 3, sleep like it matters. People in longevity zones prioritize sleep. 7 to 9 hours of high-quality rest every night. Not as a luxury, but as a necessity. Cutting sleep to hustle harder might feel productive in the short term, but long term, it shortens your lifespan. I learned this the hard way when I burned out running my channel 24/7. Habit 4. Strong social connections. Loneliness is as harmful as smoking 15 cigarettes a day, according to research. Building and maintaining friendships, family ties, community engagement. These aren't just emotional needs. They're health essentials. My grandfather had a morning coffee group with friends for decades. That mattered. Habit 5, purpose and growth mindset. This might be the most underrated. People who live long, happy lives have a reason to get up in the morning. Whether it's family, hobbies, faith, learning, something beyond themselves, and they keep growing mentally and emotionally. Reading, volunteering, mentoring younger folks. Now, here's where we make this real. Because knowing habits isn't enough, we have to practice them consistently. I recommend starting with a simple morning and evening routine. For example, morning walk, healthy breakfast, short meditation, evening, light stretching, gratitude journal, sleep schedule. And here's a tip I learned from health coaches. Don't try to overhaul everything overnight. Pick one habit per week. Week 1, focus on sleep. Week 2, add more veggies. Week 3, reconnect with an old friend. Small, steady changes create lasting transformation. Another key is environment design. Set up your home and workspace to support longevity. Easy access to healthy foods, reminders to stand up and move, books instead of endless scrolling on your phone, and create friction for unhealthy habits, like keeping junk food out of the house. And finally, track progress, but don't obsess. Journaling, wearable tech, even just a weekly check-in with yourself. Am I living like I want to be living? That's how you stay on course. To close this episode, I want to share a bit more about my own journey. In my late 20s, I thought I was invincible. Running multiple businesses, sleeping 4 to 5 hours a night, living on energy drinks, until my body said enough. I gained weight, lost focus, felt constantly stressed. That's when I started studying longevity seriously. Not just hacks, but real lifestyle shifts. I adopted everything we talked about today. More sleep, daily walks, better food, deeper friendships, and the difference wasn't just physical. I felt calmer, clearer, happier. Now, I'm in my mid-30s, and I feel better than I did a decade ago. And my mission with this channel is to share that with you, because it's never too late to start living longer, healthier, and happier. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If these longevity habits resonated with you, let me know. Drop a comment, leave a review, share this with someone you care about, and if you want more real, practical health content every week, make sure to subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into Biohacking 101. Simple science-backed tricks to upgrade your body and mind without crazy routines. I'll see you then.